I'm about to get in the shower and I'm going to use this new shampoo and conditioner for hair density. I've been using this just for a couple days now, so I think it's been like a week, and I really love it. I notice a difference whenever I use it. Performance hair density line. So we all know we need some hair density around here, which I could literally cry. Oh my god, don't cry. It just seems like my hair is finally growing back in. I don't think that I understand like how much of a toll this has been. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. I do this to myself. It just looks like my hair is just finally growing back, and I feel like I'm trying to do all the right steps in getting it there. I just know, like, when I used to do this, you could see like major bald spots when I would pull my hair back like this, and like you can still see I'm like super thin around my temples, which that was like my main area of hair loss. Definitely don't want like a 8 head. So anyways, I did not expect me to get emotional about that, but I'm like sitting here looking at myself in the mirror and like noticing that like my hair is darker on my scalp. So that is refreshing. And for anyone out there that's like dealing with it, patience, patience, patience. I get messages all the time about how to even deal. I don't, but I think it's necessary for my overall health to be in tune with my body and my health and making sure that I'm doing the right things. So that we have a nice environment for regrowth. So I just wanted to share.